Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to bold text on WhatsApp. So let's get started right now. So what you wanna do guys, you wanna open your WhatsApp, of course, and after that I'm just going to select like something here, just this for example. So if you want to bold text, what you wanna do guys, you just wanna use normal text. You don't have to download any app, you don't need anything. You just want to click 1 2 3, as you can see here in the left bottom, 1 2 3, and then click this plus and then equal. Just click it here and then click click asterisk. Just click asterisk, as you can see here, and then type in whatever you want. Hi, sorry for not replying. So after that you want to click again asterisk, like you have to do asterisk at the beginning and at the end here, and now it's changed. Now it's changed to bold text. So you can do the same process every time you want. So I hope this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like. Like I said guys, just click 1 2 3 and then click this. Okay, just click 1 2 3 and then click this and then click asterisk here and then type in whatever you want and again asterisk. That's exactly how you change it. See you guys in the next video.